Hello friends, welcome to my channel Review It TV. Today I'm going to unbox the iPhone 13 product. It's 128 GB storage capacity. Right, so let's get started. Right. You need to remove this. Right. It's there on both sides. Right. Feels nice. Should drop in. Right. Okay. So you see the phone. Right. This is how it looks like. It has the dual camera. Back glass plate. This is the charging port, right? And this is the buttons that are there. Volume control. The power button. Right. That's that. Okay, let's see what else we have along with this package. Okay, this is the charging port, charging cable, or just a cable, right? It's the cable. Then it has this pin to open up the SIM ports, right? And then some instructions. Let's see, was there anything else? Nope, that is pretty much it. Okay, this is the unboxing of the iPhone 13. If you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, right? And have a great day. Thank you guys for watching.